Hiccups are sudden, involuntary contractions of the diaphragm, the muscle under your lungs that helps you breathe. Have you ever been eating or drinking, and suddenly hic? Hiccups happen because your diaphragm spasms unexpectedly. When it jumps, your vocal cords snap shut, and that's the hic sound you hear. It usually happens when your diaphragm gets irritated. Common reasons are eating too fast, fizzy drinks, laughing. Most hiccups go away on their own, but you can stop them faster by holding your breath, sipping cold water, or swallowing sugar. Even babies get hiccups, it's just your diaphragm learning to work properly. Remember, hiccups are normal. Subscribe for more simple anatomy explanations.